Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Alright, let's learn numbers today. So listen carefully. Ngai 1. Lakong 2. Masum 3. Mali 4. Manga 5. Group 6. Sanit 7. Masat 8. Juku 9. She 10. So I will repeat 1 to 10. Lakngai, Lakong, Masum, Mali, Manga, Group, Sanit, Masat, Jaku, She. Would you like to try with me? So let's do it. Lakngai, Lakong, Masum, Mali, Manga, Group, Sanit, Masat, Jaku, She. It is important to count from 1 to 10 because those are basic, and if we get 1 to 10, then we can just build up the bigger numbers. For example, 11 is 10 and 1. So 10 is she. 1 is lakngai. 11 becomes she lakngai. But here one thing to notice is the tone. 10 is she, but if we want to say the 11, then it is she lakngai. You have to say she lakngai. 11. She lakong 12. She masum 13. She mali 14. She manga 15. She group 16. She sanit 17. She masat 18. She jaku 19. But 20 is different, so we need to remember 20. 20 is kun.